Hey folks, how's it going today? Well, you ain't gonna believe this one, but I gotta tell you, I'm in my darn boat, in my yard. There ain't no reason to launch it out there, 'cause we had so much rain there lately. That fish just, I'm telling you, the water table is real high, They're just coming up everywhere. I don't know, they're all coroned up. Oh, look out. Ooh. But I'm telling you, it is crazy, man. I'm telling you, this is no joke. This is serious stuff here now, I'm telling you. Tuxedo, it is, huh? Oh, look, yeah. Well, it is so darn serious, We got high water everywhere. George Jr. and his cousin Kenny, George Seagull, George Jr. Seagull, and Kenny Seagull up there, they up to it again, You never know what they gonna do, them son of a guns. Look at this. I'm telling you, they got them lined right up. Oh, boy. Damn you. George. Oh, look at him. Don't he think he's something, huh? Yeah, he got all his snacks. Look, he got a Mackie in there. Little snacky poo. These oysters are crying out loud. They're getting fat. I'm telling you, George. Look at you, got your boy over here. Coaching them right in. Yeah, look at him. Headed right at Bob. Yeah, his cousin Kenny Seagull. The old pirate. What you gonna do with all these guys? They're going right in the house. Oh. Yeah. I can't take any more of this stuff, First it was the crabs, then is the dang clams, and now we've got a whole school of mackerel coming right in. All the good heavy rain. We're crying out loud. How'd they get up in here? Man. Oh, hey, maybe that's a mackerel tree. Only in Maine, I tell you. Yeah, we got a dang mackerel tree right here. Unbelievable. Ladies and gentlemen, I tell you, I ain't never seen nothing like this before. You never know what you're going to see now. But, hey, I just want to let you guys see that so somebody will believe me that this stuff really happens, It is unbelievable. But all right, I love y'all, biggie, huge, muchy now, up over. Yeah, no. Hey, I wonder if I can catch me something around here. All right, now, love. Talk to y'all later now. Bye-bye. Over.